What's up, everyone? I'm back, and I'm coming back at you like a straight chola. A chola from the internet? Me. Another chola from the internet? Me. Donald Trump as a chola? Me. So, this is the only bandana I had, and I decided, Bird Box is only a month old, and it's already played out, but I'm still going to make a video about it. Anyway, so that's why I'm coming at you looking a little bit thuggish. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Yeah, welcome. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, put that notification bell, hit the little bell. Anyway, so I'm wearing this bandana because it's eventually going to cover my eyes. Well, more than that, but I'm not going to do it quite yet. I'm actually going to be attempting to line my lips and put on liquid lipstick without seeing what I'm doing. And I'm going to be recording. I just saw my lipsticks on the floor, so I'm going to have to pick that up eventually. And for this video, I am going to be using the Kylie lip kit, the Kylie Jenner. I think it was the birthday edition. What is it called? I think it's called 20. So I guess when she turned 20, this is what she released, and I bought it. I think it was summer before last. I have a couple of other of her lip kits, but this is the one I want to use, so I'm just going to use it. Don't look at the mess behind me. Don't judge me if you look at the mess behind me. But I'm going to pick up this lipstick, and you're going to see some mess behind me. And you might judge me. You might see me differently. And that's just, something that might happen. And I hope it doesn't change the way you feel about me. But if it does, just don't look at the mess behind me. Okay, so I picked up the liquid lipstick. I have the lip liner. And so let me zoom in just a little bit. Ew. Okay. So I'm going to cover this up, make sure I know where this stuff is at. Okay, all covered up. I cannot see. Crap, this is hard. I got the two products. Got my lips. Here I go, guys. Did a solid job. I can't see. This sucks. Where's my lip? I don't know where my lip is. Guys, I'm shook. I'm scared. Yeah, so this is my Bird Box tutorial. If I was in the movie Bird Box, could I still look cute? I mean, Sandra Bullock just looks really pretty with or without makeup, or the appearance of makeup, but this bitch right here, put that down. And I have this. I'm gonna see how much of a mess. Oh shit. I make of this. I have high hopes. At the same time, crap, I'm so blind. Where's the bottle? I got it back in. McLovin, it's in. Oh yeah, got it back on my lip. Ah. Guys, this is super hard. I think that's as good as it's going to get. Where's this thing at? I got it back in. Here's the surprise. I can't really see. What the heck?
Here's the surprise. I can't really see.
What the heck?
Guys, let me take this off. I gotta bring this closer. Guys, this is not even bad. What? There's a little bit there. Guys. Guys, I'm shook. I'm shook. Ah! I'm a badass bitch. I did my makeup. What? Damn. Who's ready to go out? Let's go out. Let me get this back up here. Oh my God. I'm totally like beyond belief right now that my self could put this lip liner on, this liquid lip on. Like, can y'all see me right now? Blindfolded. I did this blindfolded. I mean, it's not 100% like, girl, that's bomb. That's bomb. Like, what? Like, what? You did that. But I was low-key thinking, like, there's going to be some, like, all up here and stuff. And that's not the case. So it turns out, what it comes down to, guys, is that I know where my lips are. I'm so like freaking pumped and like happy for myself. Like, y'all don't even know. Like, this is a stepping stone. And the more I look at it, so it like goes more up on the side. But you know what? I'm not even mad at it. I'm not even mad at it. You know why? Because I know where my lips are. Anyway, so that's my video. My videos. That's my video, guys. If I entertained you at least a little bit, give this video a thumbs up. Put that notification bell on. Subscribe to this girl's channel because I'm wild and I'm crazy and I'm here for it. Also, in a couple of days, the giveaway closes. So if you have not gone and liked and subscribed and commented on my last video, like, low key, for real, I be keeping track of that. I be keeping track. Like, I like forgot some verbs. I have been keeping track of that. And legit, like, I think only like 10 people have commented on it. So you have a 1 in 10 chance right now. So go and comment on it, like that video, subscribe to my channel, tell me what's up. If you have a channel, I challenge you to do this Bird Box lip lining challenge. I mean, I couldn't do my whole face because obviously my eyes are covered. But I did what I could. So I challenge you to do it. What does yours come out looking like? Oh yeah, and by the way, this video is not sponsored. Kylie did not sponsor me, but hey, Kylie. I mean, she's not gonna see this, but if you do see this,
Kylie, baby, I love you. Can I get a free lip kit? Or kits? I mean, because after you hit like 30 subscribers, I'm pretty sure you get like all these PR deals, so holler at your girl. Holler at your girl. I'm so happy because my face doesn't look that bad. Bye!